boys and girls! Today's learning target is I can solve a story problem with 2 parts. So, in a moment I'm going to tell you a Thanksgiving story that happened to my family once. So in this story there's sort of 2 steps. Something happens in the beginning, and then something else happens in the middle, and then at the end we try to figure out how much of the thing is left over. It'll make more sense in a moment, but just be ready for 2 steps. So one Thanksgiving, my family all gathered at my aunt and uncle's house. Now we all got there pretty early in the day, and we had a few hours to wait until dinner. So my aunt made a batch of muffins for us to snack on while we waited. She made 17 muffins. So as we all got there, we were munching on the muffins, and we ate 8 of the muffins. It's a silly sentence, but nom nom nom, 8 of the muffins were in people's tummies. And we were all talking and playing games and just having fun together. And we weren't watching the muffin plate very closely. Here's the middle part of the story. While we were busy doing other things, my aunt and uncle's dog snuck up and started eating the muffins. Silly Luna. Well, Luna the dog managed to munch down 3 muffins while nobody was looking. And then we all saw, there was a big fuss. And it was just very silly. But at least, the dog got some Thanksgiving too, right? It was nice. So, the question is, how many muffins were left after both the people eating them and also Luna the dog eating the muffins? Let me recap that one more time with less description and more focus on the numbers. In the beginning of the story, my aunt made 17 muffins, and the family ate 8 of them. In the middle, Luna the dog came and snuck 3 muffins. So at the end, how many muffins were left? That's what you're going to solve in a Google Doc to show your work. Let me show you that right now. All right, this is the Google Doc where you are going to solve this story problem. I put directions at the beginning to help you remember all the steps to solving a story problem. First, read the problem and imagine the story that's happening. Next, type an equation that matches the story. Think about what happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Step 3 is solve the problem. You might need to show your work on a piece of scratch paper or in a math journal. Step 4 is to type the answer in this assignment. And step 5 is to tell me about the strategy you used. So, here's the story, one more time. Mrs. Itma's aunt made 17 muffins for her family. The family ate 8 of the muffins. While they were not looking, the dog stole 3 muffins too. 3 muffins also. How many muffins were left at the end? Right here, you're going to type an equation to match the problem. A number sentence if you prefer. Here is where you're going to type the answer. How many muffins were left at the end? Down here, I'd like you to tell me about what strategy or tool you used to solve the problem. It could be something like, I counted on my fingers, or it could be something a little fancier. Maybe you used one of the math tools in our Google Classroom. Whatever strategy you did, I'd like to know about it. When you're all done with this, press the button to turn it in. That's all for now. See you in the next video.